In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your broker to TradingView. So first, log in into your TradingView account and select chart you want to use by navigating to chart section. At the bottom of chart, you will see Trading Panel. Click on Open Trading Panel to access panel where you can connect your brokers. You will see a list of supported brokers. If your broker is not listed, you can click on Explore Supported Brokers to see more options or find information about broker in your region. Once you found your broker, click on it and it will be directed to a page to connect. Log into your broker's account and TradingView will ask you to authorize your connection. Ensure you have admin or proper permission for trading account. Once authorized, your broker account will be connected to TradingView. After successfully connecting, you can execute trades directly from TradingView platform using your broker's account, making trading process more effective.